Hi guys! Yan ako sa garden guys. Nag-check ko. It's pink now. This one. And then getting nice too. This is really wow. This is really wow. And this one too. They're getting bigger. Yes. But this is really quite very nice. Ano siya guys. Even dark. Anhi lang dyan para ma-check sa buwak. So, mga this one also nice. Meron ako mga monster or mga fellows. Philodendron. Some. That's my monstera. Very dark guys. But it's okay. Yung giant. That's it guys. Thank you for watching.